everyone, welcome to my brand new channel called Roxy Life, where we go on adventures with Roxy, and today we're going to Ohio. Right, Roxy? Roxy is a toy poodle. She is reddish brownish, and she is such a playful dog, but also super duper sweet. So we're going to Ohio today with Roxy. Roxy, you excited? You're such a good girl. Alrighty, so we're gonna leave in like 20 minutes, or less. So here's little Roxy, and here's her harness, just in case we want to put her on a leash, so that she can walk, or we can put her on a leash if she wants to use the bathroom. Right, Roxy? Yes. So basically, oh, it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, we have her leash downstairs, and we're gonna bring her puppy food. We're going to bring some pee pads and maybe her crate if she ever gets sleepy, because sometimes when she's sleepy she wants to go in there, so we're just gonna bring that, so if she gets sleepy she can go in there if she'd like to. But yeah, we're gonna go really soon. We're just getting everything settled, and then, well, we're gonna get going, right, Roxy? Right? Okay, so we are in the RV heading to Ohio with little Roxy. She's super excited. Okay, so we have been driving for a little while, and now we are in Indiana. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say. So right now we're going to feed Roxy. We feed Roxy this puppy pedigree food. Basically we just scoop a little bit out with the spoon and put it in her little food bowl. Roxy really enjoys the puppy pedigree, and when we're done using it, we put it into the fridge. Sorry the camera's so shaky. The RV is really shaky. So we are finally in Ohio. Roxy's super happy. We're super happy. So we just have about like 34 more minutes to go, and then we're where we need to be in Ohio. So we are here in Defiance, Ohio, right, Roxy? So yeah, we are just parking, I think. So we're gonna get out pretty soon. Okay, so Roxy, we are here. Watch out. So we're gonna see if Roxy has to use the bathroom. I don't know if she has to go because she did use the bathroom inside on the pad, but we're just gonna see if she has to go. So Roxy did have to use the bathroom. She actually went number 2, so we're just getting a bag to clean it up. So yeah, we're in Ohio, Defiance, Ohio. Roxy, you're in Ohio. So she's never been on Ohio before, neither have I. So it's a pretty fun new experience for us during this whole coronavirus thing. Come on, Roxy. So she seems really happy. So we took a trip to Ohio to see a car with little Roxy and my parents, and it was a really fun, trip with this whole coronavirus thing, something to do to get out of the house. Okay, so we're going in the pawn shop.
So this is where you're cleaning stuff up?
Yeah, so everything comes in, that's all pawn storage. Yeah, go ahead and close that.
So this is like, what is this for this do?
So we are inside the RV. We just got done looking at the cars, and going in the pawn shop. So we're just gonna have lunch maybe and let Roxy eat too, and then we're gonna get going back. And my dad got this little diamond necklace at the pawn shop. So basically the car is getting strapped on to the ramp, and then we're gonna have some lunch and then we're gonna get going. Right, Roxy?
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood.
Okay, so we are stopping at Wendy's to have lunch. Alright, so we are back home. It was 3 hours from Defiance, Ohio to our house. So please, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss a video.